Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel where we explore the world of chicken processing. In this video, I will show you the essential machines you'll need for scalding, plucking, and packing chickens for sale. If you're a small-scale farmer or a commercial producer, knowing the right tools for the job can save you time and money while improving your final product. I'll guide you through the process and show you the machines you need to transform your feathered friends into market-ready poultry. So let's dive in and discover the tips and techniques that will help you succeed in chicken processing. The first step in chicken processing is scalding. To scald chickens, you'll need a scalding machine, which is specifically designed to heat water to the ideal temperature for loosening feathers. To begin, fill the scalding machine with water and turn it on to start heating the water. Once the water has reached the correct temperature, carefully lower the chickens into the scalding tank, making sure they are fully submerged. Leave them in the water for about 30 seconds, which should be long enough to loosen the feathers without cooking the meat. After 30 seconds, remove the chickens from the scalding tank and transfer them to the plucking machine for the second step. Simply place the scalded chickens into the drum or cylinder of the machine, turn it on and set it to the appropriate speed. It's important to add water to the machine while it's working to help clean the feathers and prevent them from clogging the machine. Once the plucking process is complete, remove the chickens from the machine and inspect them carefully to ensure that all feathers have been removed. In this video, it's evident that scalding and plucking are combined into a single piece of equipment, whereas in the following video, the plucking machine is separate and standalone, and the scalding process is performed in a separate container of hot water. Both methods have their advantages and disadvantages, and the choice ultimately depends on the specific needs of the operation. By watching these videos, viewers can gain insight into the different options for poultry processing equipment and decide which approach is most suitable for their particular circumstances. While the combined scalder-plucker saves time and space, standalone machines can offer greater flexibility and customization options. Step 3. Evisceration. After the birds have been scalded and plucked, it's time to remove their internal organs in a process called evisceration. This involves making a small incision in the bird's abdomen and carefully removing its internal organs, such as the heart, liver, and intestines. The birds should be rinsed thoroughly with cold water after evisceration to remove any remaining blood or debris. Step 4. Packing. After the evisceration and cooling stages to prevent bacterial growth and ensure the safety of the poultry, you will finally get this result as shown on your screen. From here, you can customize your packaging, place the chickens inside, and use the machine demonstrated in this following video to seal your packages. This is an affordable and compact machine that enables you to seal your packages, including those containing poultry. It is easy to use and a great option if you have a limited budget. These are the outcomes you can achieve based on your packaging choices. With the poultry ready to be sold on the market, you can start generating revenue. The packaging plays an important role in ensuring the safety and freshness of your products, which can impact your customer satisfaction and repeat business. To summarize the video, the different steps of chicken processing are scalding, plucking, eviscerating, cooling, and packing. Scalding, immersing the chicken in hot water to loosen the feathers for easy removal. Plucking, removing the feathers from the chicken using a plucking machine. Eviscerating, removing the internal organs of the chicken, such as the heart, liver, and gizzard. Cooling, bringing the temperature of the chicken down to prevent bacterial growth. Packing, customizing and packaging the chicken for sale or storage using a sealing machine or other tools. By following these steps, you can ensure that your chickens are processed safely and efficiently, resulting in high-quality poultry that is ready for sale.